Take this, take that, and that!
Careful! I got it. Lack of sleep is really bad for you.
Sue, take that!
Ouch! Okay, you're still angry. I'll go away.
Bam, bam, bam!
Sammy, I can't take this any longer. Let's make an anti-stress cushion for you and color it.
Finally, let's do it!
Sammy, I have some fabric here. What kind of cushion shall we make?
Let's make it a punching bag!
I promise we'll come up with something better than that.
Okay, let me punch the bag now. Ha! Whoops! Oh, I overdid that.
Hey, I need you. Let's make a cushion in the shape of a doll.
Yup! Shall we make Wednesday? She's an expert in grumpiness.
Sammy, you forgot about us. Let's organize a fashion show then and choose the best look. Ta-da!
The first contestant is Wednesday. She knows everything about the bad mood. Our second participant is Barbie, a fashion and makeup expert. Next one is this fashionista. Oh yeah! And the last but not least, her cute little sister. Oh, here's another one from the online contest. So it is time to make a decision. Dear jury, announce the results.
I choose this beautiful lady.
Come on, she wasn't even on the list.
I made the sketch, but it's tricky. Can you guess the details? But first, I will give you some hints.
Sue, does she have long hair? Am I right?
Correct! You did great from the first try. Awesome!
Oh, Sam Magnifique is an expert in hair accessories. Our doll will have them too.
So many things. Let me find what I had in mind.
And I won't guess. I will just draw it right now. Ribbons and hair bows are trending now. These ones.
Sammy, I didn't know you will be so much into this craft. I'll add a hair clip too.
Look at me. Do we need anything from here?
Yep, but you guessed just one accessory.
Hey, I want accessories too. You didn't choose me earlier, so you must share.
I need them for work. I'll give it to you later.
Hey, you two. Better check out what we have here.
Wow!
I guess this beauty can knock you off your feet.
Sue, I came with a model.
First outfit will be these elegant pants.
These pants look great, but I had another idea.
Okay, Barbie, next look.
This silhouette looks like a skirt. Is it a skirt?
Right! Our doll will have a long skirt with cute hearts.
Sue, a doll should have a shirt or a jacket, something with sleeves.
What is this fabric? Looks good. Turn around.
Hey, focus, Susie.
Okay, you were right. I will draw a shirt for our doll too. I used to have a t-shirt with a flower like this one. I liked it a lot.
What kind of a doll is it? No shoes, no bag.
Go away. You'll scare away my inspiration. What are you drawing? That is not trendy. Give me that pencil. I said give it to me.
I like these shoes, but okay, let's change them. Oh, the greatest designer Sam, help me, an amateur, draw a right pair of shoes.
No problem. What do you say? Dolls, where are you? I need something.
Where did you go? All by myself again. Then I'll draw a kitten under her arm.
I got the bags. Take it as a reference.
Wow, awesome! We'll combine two bags into one now. Check out this cool bag that I have made. Now we are getting to an important part. We'll transfer our drawing to the fabric.
Look, we're gonna make some magic now.
Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity. And the drawing is on the fabric.
Now we'll cut everything out. And done.
Thanks. Aren't you tired?
You are right. I'll take a nap.
While Sam is resting, I'll sew the sides of our cushion.
But be quiet, Sue.
Okay, rest well. And don't worry about anything. I guess Sammy didn't have a good night's sleep.
Well, of course I didn't. You woke me up at 5 a.m.
You asked me to. Morning magic and all that. And you are more like an owl, not a slime.
Early wake-up is not my thing. What about you? Give us a thumbs up and I will win. I will tuck this filler into a cushion in no time.
Oh,
Oh, this cushion feels so good, doesn't it?
Let me check. Whoa, not bad. Whoa. Whoa.
Awesome, Sammy! And we're moving on to the last stage now. Stay tuned! I am a bit tired already, but this doll helps release stress.
So let's color it now. We need a bright cushion.
Not with paints. Markers will do a better job.
Right! I have lots of markers. Here they are. First, we are going to make her skirt bright pink.
How about the Wednesday style? Black skirt and...
No way! The doll will be super bright, like me! Defend yourself! And the winner is me! Sam the Magnificent!
Okay. Let the skirt be pink.
Let the master do it! I know which shirt is the best! And I will color it right now!
Wednesday doesn't give up and sends Thing to intervene in the situation.
That's not fair!
Yes! Hooray! Now the markers are mine!
I know what color should be the shoes. This one!
Oh, great! I'll transfer it easily.
It is time to take care of the hairstyle. Brush and color.
Sure. I will do my best here. Now let's color it. You can't even imagine the color I chose. Done! Did you expect anything like that? Do you like it?
Wow! This looks awesome! I'm amazed!
Hey! I just looked at you and got another cool idea. We'll use your favorite thing in our craft. There we go.
So, it is time for makeup. Can you do it?
Easy. Just wait a bit. I need to finish here.
So, how much longer? Time!
Oh, Sammy, you'll drag yourself into stress like that. Give me the makeup bag. I'll get to work. Here, we will use the lipstick to make your lips really bright. Done!
I will do something too and add the blush.
Beautiful. Which eyeshadow should I choose for our doll? I guess I have a great idea. What about purple? They match perfectly with this look.
Purple? I love it!
Now let's highlight her brows so they look brighter.
And I'll do the makeup for someone else.
Friends, do you want another makeup video? If we get 1 million likes, we'll make one. What is left here? Right, the bag. It will be yellow.
Who said meow? I want to play with it.
Sammy, it's our doll's kitten. He says we should color him too.
Yay! The cushion is ready. We can squish it or have a good nap on it.
Wait, Sammy, last touch. Whoosh! Now it's ready. Let's show it to our viewers. Up!
My anti-stress cushion! It is just mine! Whee!
Roger doesn't want to go shopping with me.
Don't be sad. Squish the cushion and you'll feel better.
Thanks, Sammy. You're so sweet. Aha! Gotcha! Now it is my doll. Bye-bye, everyone.
Give it back! It is not fair! Wait up! How could you? Hurry up and give us a thumbs up. That will give me energy and I will catch you. Give my doll back! Huh?